Hello guys, so today I have this old ceiling fan in my house. I don't know what it's called, and it's too high for me to reach to it and stuff. But I can turn the light on. That's the only way I can really control it, since I can't reach it. Can you, you guys can try to do some research on it. Take a picture from this video and do some research on that picture. I'll give you like 10 seconds to do that. Okay, that should be enough time for you to do some research on the picture. Or at least take the picture for the research. That's all for today, guys. Bye.